So the next item on the chopping block is this microwave. So we'll get out what we want and Mr. Scrapman can have the rest. Nice. Nice. Wow. Wow. Boing. We want that. So that appears to be all that. We want that bad boy. That is freaking heavy. Scrapman can have that. Shall we mess around with that? Yes, we shall. We'll have that. And that'll do. The rest can go out for the Scrapman. Couple of minutes work. 4. 1, 2, 3, potentially 4, and a handful of wire. So that, for a scrap microwave, is the result.